Shut up, Ramee.
Fucking sick of you fucking grinders. Alright? Look at Flippy down there.
But you love grinders. You know you love the grinders. Come on, man.
Yeah, so fucking what? I love fucking grinders. So fucking what?
Love the grinders. You need the grinders.
Yeah, I do. I do need grinders. So that for all you fucking shit-ass fucking grinders out there, make sure you, when you're done grinding your house robberies, your fucking banks, your fucking casino wins, whatever you're fucking grinding, just make sure you bring all that fucking gems to the jewelry, to the, whatever the, shut the fuck up, come to the fucking gallery. I'm going to sleep. You guys have a fucking good night. Fucking grinders, man. Fucking sick of this shit.
Ramee!
What?
Ramee!
What, man? What?
Do us all a favor and do one step further to the edge and then jump.
Yeah, go grind your fucking motorcycles, dickhead, alright? Fucking grinders.